Hi, to answer or decline calls using Siri on iPhone 16e, firstly you need to open settings on the phone, find section Siri, and make sure that Talk to Siri is turned on so that you set one of those two options. And additionally, you can enable to press side button to trigger Siri. Now you can also scroll a bit down, go in call head up, and also enable this one as well. And now let's firstly try to accept incoming call with the help of Siri. Hey Siri, accept call. And now call is accepted, and also Siri put it on speaker as you can see. So to turn it off, just tap on it once like that. And now let's try to decline incoming call with the help of Siri. Siri, reject call. And now call is declined, so everything is working just fine. And that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.